working on an 01 Toyota 4Runner, and the customer's complaint was misfiring. So let me show you what I come up with. I got in the car, started it up, confirmed it was definitely misfiring. And she also says, but there's no check engine light. So let me show you what a lot of people are doing nowadays. If you go out and you're looking to buy a car, make sure you check this. Whenever you cycle your key on, all the lights should come on, including your check engine light, and then it goes off. I know you can't see it, but the check engine light should be right here. Keys off, keys on. That check engine light doesn't even light up. And this car definitely has a misfire, so it should have some type of check engine light. So I got the scanner, hooked it up, and it's showing codes. It's showing a P0301, a P0304. That's misfires on your number 1 and 4 cylinder. And again, there is no check engine light. So what that means is somebody's probably pulled that bulb out. Now I'm sitting here running, you can feel the engine shaking. It also had a lean running condition, so it got me looking for a vacuum leak. If you sit here, I can slightly hear something on this side. If you look right here, it's loose. Look, I can move it back and forth. So it's probably sucking some air right up and through here, given it a lean condition. So that's probably gonna be an easy fix for that. Looking on the computer, the number 4 cylinder is on the left bank, which is going to be the driver's side. This is the front of the engine here. All right, what I've done is I pulled the wire off, and I'm going to go ahead and check the arc coming out of the end of the public wire. So let me start it back up and we'll check it. Well, the first thing I see, if you look right here, and I know I'm going to get my ass shocked, but for the greater cause, I will do it. Watch. Look, you see that right there? That's a bad spot in the spark plug wire. Fire's here too, right? But see that bad spot in that spark plug wire? You can see the hole. And what it's doing is, while the engine's running, that is arcing up against the sleeve that's in there. So it's arcing out here before it gets to here. All right guys, I'm gonna get some spark plug wires ordered, get them put on the car, and then we're gonna check out misfire again. Number 2, no misfires. Number 4, 0 misfires. 6, no, everything looks good. All right guys, we have no misfires. So far everything looks good. I'm gonna wrap it up. We'll take it for a test drive and see how it does on the drive. All right guys, I got this little 4Runner out for my test drive. It's driving fine, no misfires. Shift through all the gears just fine. Everything looks good. Hey, I got a question for you guys. I use that Snap-on scanner. If anybody out there knows of a better scanner, but I need to have all those functions, let me know. This scanner for Snap-on works great, and I hope Snap-on listens to this, but it is super slow. That Windows-based program constantly has to be rebooted. It just takes so long every time I do it. Time is money and money is time. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you later.